Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to explore a chatbot which is equal to ChatGPT and Google bot. As you are all many aware about that, Google bot will convert image into paragraph, that is image to text very easily. So whenever you are needed to get the explanation of a block diagram or any flow chart in your research paper, so Google bot will do that. So the same option has been included in Perplexity AI also, the tool we are going to see today. And also we will explore with some different types of research prompts whether that Perplexity AI will generate content which is equal to ChatGPT or not. And then we are going to try out with converting the text to table. So let us go on to today's video and explore the Perplexity AI with the different types of research prompts. For that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced applications. In this workshop, we are going to discuss about different basic syntaxes in MATLAB and 2D and 3D plotting in MATLAB, and we are going to explore different types of Simulink toolbox available in MATLAB, especially neural network, fuzzy logic and ANFIS toolbox. And then we are going to make a live PID controller tuning to get desired output for your applications. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you are interested in EV charging station design in MATLAB, so this is the opportunity for you. EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources, a live MATLAB workshop, that is we are going to make produce power using different types of renewable energy sources like PV and wind, and we are going to implement a maximum power point tracking techniques to grasp a maximum amount of energy from that renewable energy sources, and then we are going to incorporate it with EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you are interested in EV charging station design, don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is the Perplexity AI. So as I have told in the start of the video that it is one of the best tool which generate a better content as like ChatGPT and Google bot will do. So it is one of the best chatbot where you can ask any question related with your research paper writing. So first we will explore with some tables. So first we will ask some table to be generated. So what I am going to ask is this: ask that generate and table comprising of different MPPT techniques, explain their merits and demerits. So like that you can ask a table. So let us see how this Perplexity AI will generate content for us. So here you can see that the table of MPPT techniques with merits and demerits. So here you can see that perturb and observe, this is the basic MPPT technique. So and then you can see simple to implement works well, that is the merits of the particular MPPT technique. Next you can see this is the demerits of this particular MPPT technique. Next one is you can see incremental conductance, hill climbing, etc. So like that it will generate a content, and also it will show the sources also. So these are some of the sources where it is generated content. So according to the database, it takes a better content only by analyzing the reference papers only. So let us explore with some prompts which will be helpful for you to make literature review. So for example, I am going to take a random paper here, so an open access paper. So in this open access paper, a review on solar forecasting techniques and the role of artificial intelligence. So in order to make a text from a table, so I am going to copy the introduction section of the paper. So here I am going to copy the introduction section. So after, what you can do is you can go to Perplexity AI. So paste in Perplexity AI. So and then ask from the above literature review, make a comparison table. So this is the literature review of the particular paper. So I am asking for a comparison table from that literature review. So let us see how this will generate answer for us. Yes, so here you can see this is how the content is generated. So you can copy and paste your text and then it can be converted into a better table using this perplexity AI. So the same we have experienced with ChatGPT also. So the same can be done by using perplexity AI. So why I am comparing is that so you can get different types of content here for the same. For example, if you are doing a literature review, if you want to make a tabular column or a comparison table for that literature review, so what you can do is you can work with the same content in two different AI chatbots. Thereby you can get unique points from two different AI tools. So accordingly, so you can prepare a well-versed research paper. So even you can it will reduce the plagiarism also. So here you can see that. So these are the methods, the physical models, statistical models, etc. And you can see the description. So what that particular model implies or says. So next one is advantages and disadvantages of the particular models. So this is how this literature review is generated. So here you can see from the follow-up you can ask from the above literature review, make a problem statement in paragraph and also formulate 3 research objective in points. So like that you can ask questions from that literature review. So here you can see that the problem statement also is generated. The integration of volatile renewable energy sources like solar power into the grid poses significant challenges due to unpredictable nature of their power output. So like that it will generate a problem statement here. So and then it will also generate the research objective as we have asked for our research objective in points. So it will generate research objectives for us. So here you can see develop and evaluate AI based solar forecasting models, create and assess novel AI algorithms such as deep learning approaches incorporating convolutional and recurrent neural networks to improve the accuracy and reliability of solar irradiance predictions. So like that it has generated 3 different research objectives. So thereby you can automate your research paper writing. So by making a proper literature review, so you can automate your research paper writing using this kind of perplexity tools. So this is very important option in this perplexity AI. So this will brings out a better research paper content for your research paper writing. So apart from this you will be having an option called rewrite. So you can rewrite the same content again, or else if you want to ask questions related with that particular content you have generated from perplexity AI, here you can ask the same. There are the possible questions to be asked in the particular paragraph. So after that you can have different option. Here you can see you can attach images, text and PDF. So but it will be that is valid when only when you go for that is pro option. So here you can click here. So this is the pro option. So monthly it's $20. So you can have GPT-4 and Cloud 2.1 models. So thereby you can get a better answers. As you all know that GPT-4 is a that is human-like model, that is it analyze the particular image and give better answers for you. So like that you can make use of this perplexity AI as like in that is ChatGPT. You can make use of this perplexity AI to generate a better content for your research paper. Hope you get an idea about how this perplexity AI works and how you can get a better research paper content for your research paper writing. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.